solve this problem on trigonometrics. So this question is given tan theta is equal to 3/4. All right, find the values of A theta, B cos theta, and C theta. Okay, now this question is given. How can you solve this? First of all, you need to derive this. Now according to tangent, right? Tan is equal to opposite over what? Adjacent. All right. Now if tan is equal to that, now you need to draw a triangle to represent this information in the diagram. Remember, tan theta is given as 3/4, but according to tan is opposite all over what? Adjacent. So you need to locate your side of tan theta, which is 3 and 4 in a diagram. So by drawing a triangle, you draw a triangle, right? You draw a triangle like this. You can call this side to be your angle 90. Okay, you can call this side to be your angle, which is theta, and when this side is facing is the opposite, right? You can call this side opposite because the theta is facing this side, and this angle 90 is facing this side, and this side can be hypotenuse. Remember the last video I made, I explained this. Now if this opposite and hypotenuse, automatically this side is what? Adjacent. So now we have located our opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse in the diagram. Now according to tan, all right, tan is opposite over adjacent, but it's given as tan theta here is 3/4. So where is our opposite? Our opposite here is 3, okay, and our adjacent is 4. So you can bring this side to the diagram. All right, so our opposite is 3 here. This is our opposite. You can write here 3 centimeter, okay, and our adjacent is 4. You write here 4 centimeter. Now this side is unknown. You can call this x. I hope you are following me. Now since you have located those points and their side, and the hypotenuse is unknown, so you call that x. Now remember, there is a law that says that when the two sides is known, that you can use what we call Pythagoras theorem to find the other side. Okay, now since we have known our opposite, which is 3, and our adjacent, which is 4, and we have not known our hypotenuse, which is the unknown side, so we need to use the formula called Pythagoras theorem. And the Pythagoras theorem states that the sum of the squares of the two sides, that is opposite and adjacent, is equal to the squares of the hypotenuse. I repeat myself, the sum of the squares of the two other sides, that is opposite and adjacent, is equal to the squares of the hypotenuse. So by so doing, the formula said that x square, I can call this side to be my y, I can call this side to be my z. Okay, so x square is equal to y square plus z square. All right, and our y here is 3, so x square equal to 3 square plus z is given as 4, that is, you square it. Now x square equal to 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. All right, so x square is equal to 9 plus 16 is 25. If you take the square root of both sides, the value of x will be equal to plus or minus 5. Okay, now we have the side of hypotenuse, which is x, is now known, which is x, which is 5, right? So you can call this side now to be 5. Then it was unknown, but now by using this Pythagoras theorem, we have detected our hypotenuse side to be 5 centimeter. All right, now since our hypotenuse here is 5 centimeter, all right, is 5 centimeter. Now we have to find tan theta. No, we have to find sin theta, cos theta, and theta itself. So how can you do that? How can that be done? Now, first of all, let's find theta first. All right, let's find theta first. Now, to find theta, we all know that tan theta was given as 3/4, and if you divide 3/4, you are going to have 0.75. all right, now to find the angle, you have to take the tan inverse of this. Okay, now the tan inverse of 0.75 is equal to, is approximately 37 degrees. Okay, so that is this tan theta is equal to 3/4 is equal to this. So the tan inverse of this is 37 degrees. So we are finding our tan theta is our this, right? So between this to we can put 37 degrees. All right, 37 degrees. So we find our theta is 37 degrees. So what next is to be find is to find sin theta and cos theta. Now, since we know our three sides, we can use SOHCAHTOA method to find our sin theta and cos theta. And remember that theta itself is fine, is 37 degrees, which is this angle, right? So to find sin theta, so we can say that sin theta is equal to, according to SOHCAHTOA, is opposite over hypotenuse. All right. Our cos theta is equal to, according to is adjacent all over hypotenuse. So this will be equal to the opposite here. The opposite here, where is the opposite? The opposite is 3 centimeter. We're going to have 3 over the hypotenuse 5. Okay, so we have sin theta is 5. Right? This is equal to cos theta. The adjacent is 4, while the hypotenuse is also is 5. So we have been able to solve for sin theta, cos theta, and the theta itself. So that is how to solve that problem on trigonometrics. I'm giving you assignment.